Over the past 2 years, I have really learned my hair. The pandemic forced me to sit down and take a really good look at my hair itself and the products I was using. So 2 years ago, I chopped off all of my hair. I instantly regret it and had a bit of a manic depressive episode. But it was the best thing I ever did for my hair. It forced me to realize that I really do like my hair longer. I obviously like it more full and lush and thick. So I sat down and I looked at all of the hair products I was using, the different hair tools, you name it, and I revamped everything. And that caused me to grow my hair to the longest it has ever been. And I learned tips and tricks to thicken up my ends. My hair is no longer see-through and weak looking, and I cannot wait to share these tips with you so that you get the best hair of your life in 2023. I think a lot of us Black women are just really stuck on length. We tend to forget that if we want really long hair, you really need to look at your hair holistically and get it healthy from the roots to the tips. Cutting off all of my hair, pretty much starting from zero for me, was the best hair education I could have ever gotten. At that point, I didn't even care about hair length. I cared about the fact that my hair was both thick and thin, straggly, breaking, split ends, the whole 9 yards. I think a lot of us need to look within, block out all of the noise, and just really focus on getting our hair healthy. Who cares about length? All of that being said, my grow out process just taught me so much about my hair. Okay, let's jump right into this video. And again, before you start applying all of these tips that helped me, think critically. Now, think of my channel as a buffet, okay? You come and you pick what you want and you leave the rest, okay? Think critically about the hair care, skin care, you name it, that you see on all of these social media channels. Choose the tools, products, and hair care methods that will work best for you. And remember, genetics play a huge role. So tip number 1, treat your scalp well. Beautiful hair starts with a healthy scalp. So something I love to do is massage my scalp while I'm in the shower washing my hair. That extra massage will help promote blood circulation to your scalp, feeding those hair follicles, allowing them to grow thick, beautiful, healthy, shiny hair. Your scalp can become a bit dry after a relaxer as well, so moisturize your scalp with whatever favorite moisturizer or serum you have. When my scalp gets dry after a relaxer, I use a little Egyptian magic on it. My mom has been using this stuff for decades, so it's labeled as an all-natural, all-purpose skin cream, but I love to use it on my hair. It will also make your strands super glossy. So tip number 2, and this was a game changer for me, to best detangle my hair, I do so in the shower. So I wash my hair, I squeeze out the dampness with a microfiber towel or old t-shirt, and then I apply my deep conditioner. I will usually apply a little heat and leave it on for about 20 minutes. I then hop in the shower and I'll use my Tangle Teezer or my Wetbrush to move that conditioner through my hair and detangle it. I swear, detangling my hair under running water as I'm brushing the conditioner through my hair just makes my life so much easier. Try doing it in sections as well if you have a ton of hair. My Tangle Teezer is a lifesaver as well. This has thicker, stiffer bristles, but it does a great job at working conditioner through your hair. So speaking of washing my hair, this brings me to my third point. Every month, I will double cleanse my hair. And I don't mean washing your hair twice with the same shampoo. I mean washing your hair with a clarifying shampoo once a month to strip out all of that buildup. And we all know that when you use a clarifying shampoo, your hair feels a little bit stripped afterwards. So then I will go in and wash with my favorite thick moisturizing shampoo. So I feel like I'm doing a bit of a double whammy. I am stripping out all the buildup out of my hair and then washing one more time with a really nice hydrating shampoo so that it feels and looks soft and manageable. Clarifying shampoos are so great too because it's like you know instantly when you've used a clarifying shampoo, you'll go ahead and dry and style your hair and your hair is like shining like a mirror and it's big, fat, bouncy, and voluminous. So tip number 4, I'm not adventurous with my hair. I don't do too many fun things to it. I know that's kind of boring, but I was never really interested in going platinum blonde or sapphire blue or hot pink. I also don't try out lots of different hairstyles, and I think all of that right there just allows my hair to thrive. I'm not damaging it with lots of heat tools or harsh treatments. I just like this straight look, and you know, the most adventurous I get is adding a little wave or a little curl, and I always use hair tools that are a bit gentler on my hair, like the Dyson Corrale or the GHD Platinum Styler, the Air Wrap, you name it. As long as it's easy on my hair, I am fine. So next tip, I stopped with actual hairstyles. I wanted to see where the thin, weak points were in my hair, so I stopped with layers and bangs. Now, I love these two particular hairstyles, and I will be indulging with them in the future, but to start my hair journey, I just needed to see where the split ends are. With layers, even the bangs, it was just too hard for me to tell where to trim, so I just grew my hair into one even long mop. So tip number 6, I wash my hair weekly. This prevents it from drying out. This prevents over manipulation, the whole 9 yards. But this weekly schedule also keeps my hair clean, my scalp healthy. I prevent any sort of drying and damage. It also leaves a week for my hair to just be. Tip number 7, and this right here, I saw such a huge difference in the ends of my hair. My ends thickened right up, and that is adding a little hair oil to your hair every night before bed and a little bit when you wake up in the morning. I've been using 1 pump of Kérastase Discipline Oleo Relax Hair Oil. I rub it into my ends, and any excess I will rub through the mid-lengths to the ends as well. So tip number 8, and this was another huge game changer for me, I apply all of my hair treatments, so deep conditioners, detanglers, leave-in conditioners, you name it, in sections. So that ensures that every single strand gets a chance to have some of that product applied to it. I won't miss any part of my hair. I also apply these hair treatments to the sections of my hair that need it the most. The edges, the nape of my hair, or the ends, I will apply those treatments to those places first. This also goes for drying your hair. If you have a lot of hair, try drying in sections. Your hair will dry that much faster. And I find that when you dry your hair in sections, it's more even and straight. I definitely notice more kinks and like weirdness happening when I try to dry my hair like all in one go. Tip number 9, take hair supplements. You never know which vitamin or mineral can unlock the key to your best hair health. You can take a biotin supplement, you can take collagen peptides, or just eat healthfully and drink a lot of water. Make sure you're getting a lot of omega-3s, eating a lot of avocado and salmon, a lot of healthy fats. You can also incorporate nuts into your diet. All of these go to feeding great hair. And tip number 10, my last tip, document your hair journey. Take pictures, take video every month. Take some sort of documentation to show yourself how well you're doing. It is so motivating. It will also keep you on track and allow you to better pinpoint what's working and what's not. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe as well and hit the little bell beside the subscribe button so that you don't miss anything here. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram. I would love it if you followed me there as well. I appreciate your support so much. Leave me all sorts of comments. I love reading them all. Mwah! Love you guys.